Our equation of the day is 8x squared minus 30x equals negative 7. So first we're going to do is to add 7 to both sides so we can make our equation equal to 0. So it's going to be 8x squared minus 30x plus 7 equals 0. And what we're going to do with our new equation, we are going to now make our box. 8x goes into the first box, and 7 goes in the last box. Now what is 8 times 7? And that answer will be our factor. Now what are two numbers that can go into 56? 1 and 56. 2 times 28. 4 and 14. And 7 and 8. So far, I believe this 2 and 28 is going to be our best fit for our equation. Since it is negative 30 is a negative, I think we should both make them negatives. So then when it's negative times a negative, it equals a positive. So now we're going to plug that into our box. So 2x and negative 28x. Now we just have to find out what our top letters are. So what is common about the first box? Well, they both have an x, so we're going to do that. And 4 goes well with these two evenly, so it's 4x. And we know that this is going to be a 2 because 2 times 4 is 8. And 4 times something goes into 28. And that is negative 7. So what's negative 7 times something equals 7? Well, that's going to be negative 1. So therefore, our answer is 4x minus 1 and 2x minus 7. But we're not done. We have to make the parentheses equal out, or equal to 0. So in that, we have to take 4x minus 1 equals 0. So we have to add the 1 to both sides. So that's 1 equals 4x. And then you divide those by 4, and x equals 0.25. Now let's do this equation. 2x minus 7 equals 0. So you have to add 7 to both sides. And drop down the 2x. And then you divide that by 2. And then x equals 3.5. And there are your answers.